In thinking about college applications, it's generally considered that you have schools that are in three different buckets. The target schools that you really think, this is the kind of university that I'm really looking for. I'd like to move away from home and I want to be at a small school, and so this is what I want, right? Maybe that's what your high school student is really having their eyes set on. And you can identify through research online, with my grades and my activities, these are the kind of schools I'm most likely to get into. That'd be your target bucket. There'd also be a reach bucket. You know what? I don't really have the highest GPA, and so I might not get into this school, but I think it'd be really interesting. Let me apply to a handful of those reach schools, things that I think I probably won't get in, but I want to give it a shot. And then schools that you're more assured of being able to get into. Students and parents often identify another group of schools that for sure I know I'm going to get into San Jose State. That's going to be one of my schools that for sure I'll be able to get into. Those are the three kind of categories you might want to think about when considering schools.